Our sun is a fairly ordinary star, a bit brighter than most but not exceptionally so. The sun is not an especially variable or active star, and it has no enormous chemical or magnetic peculiarities. It is not a very young star, nor is it old and nearing the end of its life. It is, in short, truly exceptional in only one way: it is very close to the Earth, in fact at just the right distance to make life as we know it possible. Most of us do not worship the sun as did many in ancient civilizations, but we certainly should not take for granted the light and heat that it provides. Left to itself, the Earth would be a fantastically cold rock at near absolute zero temperature. If the sun had been slightly more massive, its high temperature would have made the Earth's surface hot enough to melt lead. A smaller sun would have left the Earth unbearably cold. Distance also matters. Had the Earth been closer, we might be as extremely hot as Venus. Farther away, and we might have been as cold and dry as Mars. We live at just the right distance from a just right star. Does this mean that the planet Earth is unique and that we live in a best of all possible worlds? There are dangers with this way of thinking. Since indeed other planets in our solar system do not so far appear to support life, the implication is that life requires some fairly unlikely conditions in order to flourish. Yet granted that the probability of finding Earth-like conditions is small, the number of planets in the universe is very large, probably billions in our galaxy alone. This obviously increases the statistical likelihood of habitable planets. On this view, the Earth is not so much miraculously unique as merely rare. This in turn implies certain responsibilities for its inhabitants. Since life as we know it appears to be possible within only a narrow range of conditions, it would be prudent to know as much as we can about the star that provides the basic conditions which make our existence possible. Moreover, our newfound ability to alter the Earth's state on a global scale brings this need into sharp focus. For example, it is not enough for the Earth to be at the right distance from the Sun and reflect back the right percentage of the solar light it receives. The Earth's atmosphere is also of major importance in determining the global temperature. Without it, the Earth would be colder by about 33 degrees Celsius and therefore a frozen lump of ice. Right now, we are making small but significant changes to the composition of our atmosphere that may within a short time be large enough to produce major unpleasant effects.